What's up, YouTube? Today we have another GEC knife. This time it is the 29 in burnt Sienna Jigged bone. This whittler has a small clip. It was used not by me. I bought it used. It has a sheep's foot blade and also an awl. Very useful knife, especially as long as this is. It would make an excellent user. Am I going to use it? No. Probably not. Why? Well, this is a very expensive knife, and I have other blades that are GECs that are users. That serve my purposes very well. I also have other knives that aren't GECs that I use. I know, it's very controversial that I do whatever I want with my own cutlery, with my own literal possessions, the inanimate objects that I own. I also don't ever shoot my guns. Oh no. I was a machine gunner in the Marine Corps. I've shot more rounds than you ever have in your life in a million gajillion 6 gorillion years. What a great piece. I really like, I get that, you know, if you're not like, here, let me get this out of there. If you're not a collector, the jigging won't be exciting. The transition spaces won't be exciting. The dye job won't be exciting. But if you're a collector, the reason that this looks so nice is because it's exactly how it really should look. GEC is the best cutlery on the planet, and that is not an exaggeration. Anyway, thanks for sticking with me. That's what I'll shoot up for this one. I appreciate you folks, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye now.